Business is going great. It's going great. Freddy Fazbear. Hold on. I think I'm gonna replace this guy. Everybody get out. Everybody get out. Fine. Hey, okay, I'm just gonna be on the roof and to make sure you guys get out. Okay. Let's get out. This is fun. Yeah. I wanna come back. Eat. Including you, officer. Okay. Or guard. Yep. Oh. I think I'm gonna replace Freddy. He's kind of getting scary. I gotta buy one of the guys that I gotta get one of the Freddys that don't kick people from the stage because I got sued for that. So let's kick out Freddy. There, and let's get one of the newer models. This guy.
Yeah,
and I'm gonna go replace Chica. She's kind of scary. And Foxy. Yarg, matey. You will never scoop me alive. Ah. Oh no. There. And you cannot forget Freddy without his microphone.
Yeah, oh well.
It'd be a big misunderstanding if Freddy didn't even have his microphone. Put.
Shut up.
Oh no, it's back. Oh, it's on backwards.
You're going to make me blush.
There. Just gonna put it on his arm.
Idiot.
I try to.
Push his hand
Oh my gosh,
to the
Freddy.
door and closes the door.
Okay,
Push it. Pushes.
Alright. There. Just gotta.
I'm going to the store.
There. Now he's ready to sing. Or now we're gonna put. Now Spring Bonnie can be on stage. And we got a new Chica that's less scary. And we got a new pirate.
Close those doors.
Orf. What the? Who is there? Who are you? I am Scott Coffin. I'm the one that created all of this.
Your phone rings.
So, good luck. That was a little weird.
Help me.
But, yeah.
You realize?
Let's see if there's any newer models.
There.
There's this old suit that I used to have. Man, used to be good. And now it's left to rust. Anyways, let's search for a new Bonnie. Looks like this is the only one that can fit in. I'm not supposed to be in this universe. What Why? I belong to glitches. And I need to go. Bye. What the? Where did he go?
And
Alright, you know what? Whatever.
leave
Alright, guys, come back in.
your
There, I'm gonna make sure. Alright, this one is called the Freddy song. Okay, let me get my microphone.
alone.
And now let's sing. Freddy Fazbear.
Deep
Yay.
voice.
I don't get paid. I don't get
Deeper voice.
I don't get paid this much for this. Yo, Freddy Fazbear, I just wanted to know I'm your biggest fan.
Do it or else I'll.
Freddy.
Do it or else I'll.
Freddy. Yeah. Move. I want to come in. Ow. I want to be first. Hey, get away.
Transfer it.
Sorry.
Transfer it now.
Oh my gosh. Freddy. There's a new Freddy. A new Freddy. I want to come. He's so. I'm in. Yeah, Freddy. I'm your biggest fan. Alright. We're about to sing this song. If you close your eyes, if you fall asleep, if you dance to the sound to the heartbeat. Freddy Fazbear, so cool. My favorite character is Foxy. Yarg, I do agree with him.
Here screaming.
I hear the secrets that you keep, and you're falling in your sleep. I hear the secrets that you keep when you're going to the sleep. Yes, he's actually singing a song. I'm actually surprised that I even got this new. I'm actually surprised that I even got this one. It was for $20.
You have my location.
No. What happened to the old characters? Don't ask. Anyways, bye. Freddy Fazbear. Oh, I'm already getting old. I don't think I can last this long.
Passes out.
True, I need to get a new Bonnie. He is so rusty. He's like one of my first designs that I ever came up with.
Dad.
Oh, sorry, kids.
Dad.
I hear the secrets that you keep.
Dad.
When you're talking in your sleep. When you close your eyes. When you go to sleep. Freddy. Hey, let me go in there. You can't, kid. Fine. Jump. What the? No, you're not allowed there. No, I want to be with Freddy Fazbear.
Kisses on the head.
When you talk, guys, we have friends. You're hard. Hi, I'm just here to get a hug. Sure, you could get a hug. Okay, let me go. There, I hugged you. Thank you. Now, could you please get off the stage? Yeah, Freddy Fazbear. That wasn't even that bad. Oh. Well, if they can do that, well, Hey, security guard, come up here.
You bring her to the
Uh,
hospital
I don't even get paid enough for this Fazbear Entertainment. What? You're fired. Yes, thank you. Oh my gosh, bye. Yay! Oh gosh, that's a guy, but
damn it.
there's no guards. At least this one doesn't hurt.
Things relief, she's
Well, I just need this. Data, shoot. Now,
alive.
Okay. What is that?
Wake up.
What the hell? What is this? Just give it back his head.
What's happened?
Oh no. Bro, I'm out of here. I'm not a big fan of this no more. Yeah, same. Dang it.
The doctor said
Hey, where is it?
she is brain dead.
It's all my fault. Oh my gosh.
Who are you?
That was a dead kid in my place. Yeah. Ow. No, I gotta get rid of the evidence. I gotta press charges. There's some blood stains. Let's clean that off.
Wait, why am I?
Orf.
Wait, why am I at the hospital?
2 days later. Da-da-da. Oh, there's a newspaper.
Let's go home.
It says right here. Oh, let me go get it. Wait. Okay. It says Fazbear Entertainment was sued so many times that they had to close down in case any kids got injuries. 17 kids have been getting injuries, and 5 kids have been missing ever since they went there. Dang. Oh no, they're probably almost here.
You kissed
Hey.
her on the lips.
Hey, we're gonna take this place down. No.
And when you did that, she woke
Yep.
up.
Destroy this place with your axes. Ah! Oh yeah, that's made out of steel. They can't break it down. Oh no, I'm out of here. Ah!
I'm going back to sleep.
Ah!
I'm going back to sleep.
There, we bust that place. We're busting this place. There, let's go. We're taking this place down. And now we're gonna take down this final place. Then we're gonna take down the stage. What is going on? Oh no. Guys! Oh no, guys, attack! What the? Yeah.
Sleep and soften her. Sleep.
Oh gosh, you're next. I'll try to defend chicken. do not mess with me, pirate fox. Ah, what the?
Sleeps.
Go. Whoa, ah. Chica, go.
Sleeps.
Our boss.
And talks in his sleep.
Oh no. Get him. Oh. The axe is right there.
At the
I know.
house.
Here.
At
Oh.
the house. Sleep.
Chicken. Oh, that's
At
it.
the house.
Hard.
You gently
And
put it in and set it. You gently
Hold on. It's collapsing. Oh no.
tuck her in
And after since no one came there again.
her room
Man,
and
I
said,
Vesper Entertainment was my life. The end.